Welcome! In this video, we will look at the new report called About introduced in Tally Prime. The About page provides all the information related to the application at a single location. This information will be handy when you call Tally support for issue resolution. The About page in Tally Prime is divided into 6 different sections, each section providing a specific set of information. The basic information is shown by default. You can, however, get more details by pressing Enter or Shift Enter from a particular row. Product information has all the information of the current application like application name, release, installation folder, and other Tally application in your computer. Press Shift plus Enter on release to know the build number and Enter to get product update page. You can open the installation location by pressing Enter on application path. You can open the Setup Manager by pressing Enter from other Tally applications installed. This makes it easy to know the version installed and manage it. License information displays all the basic information of license like serial number, edition, where is it running, license admin, and so on. You can press Enter from Tally Gateway Server to configure and manage your license. TDL and add-ons section gives info on type of TDLs present and how many are loaded and not loaded. You can open the TDL management configuration from here. Data section displays the data path and backup path along with companies to load on startup. When Tally Prime server is connected, it displays the location and name of the server. You can manage the startup companies list and data path locations from here. Connectivity section shows your LAN connectivity and whether Tally Gateway Server is connected to internet or not, with client server information as well. Computer information has all basic information of operating system, firewall and antivirus, hardware like network cards, RAM, hard disk, processor, and printers. This helps get all the computer-related information from within Tally Prime. The About page not only provides a variety of information but also helps you manage each of these features from one location. Thank you. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.